Hi everybody, me again. I posted a video a couple of days ago on setting up an internet failover so that if your internet service provider service goes down, you continue to stay connected but over mobile data, but keeping the whole home connected. So you're effectively giving your router a second option. So when the ISP goes down, it selects the failover option, which in my case is a USB dongle. So I posted this video a couple of days ago, which really was just about unboxing, in my case, a Huawei USB dongle with 3G and 4G LTE. So I thought I'd do another video now of how to set that up on an ASUS router. So I've got an ASUS RT-AX88U. On the left-hand menu, you want to go ahead and click USB application, and then from the options, select 3G and 4G submenu. Once you get to there, you can see here it says enable USB mode. So you want to click that to on. Make sure you select here USB modem, not Android phone. So keep USB modem selected. And then down the bottom, you want to select your USB adapter. So here, there's a whole drop-down list. Mine is an E3372, but this model E372 works completely fine. So the profile that's behind that works with mine completely. Then you want to click on apply at the bottom. Then at the top, you've got a dual WAN tab. Click on that. Here, all you need to do is enable your dual WAN. WAN, if you don't know, is wide area network. So once you've selected that, you want the primary mode of connection to the internet to be your WAN, i.e. your broadband or internet service provider. But the secondary device you want to select to be your USB dongle that you've plugged in to your ASUS router. And then you've got a dual WAN mode here. So you can choose failover and load balance. So here, select failover. So what will happen when the main broadband internet connection goes down, after some pre-configured conditions, it will fail over to your secondary WAN, which is your USB mobile database dongle. You can also have a selection called allow failback. So what that will do, once it's failed over to your USB dongle, it will continually monitor to see when your primary internet connection comes back online, and then it will switch back to that, which is important because mobile data costs money. So you want to be on that for the least amount of time possible. If you scroll down, you can then set up the parameters for failover and failback. So the default detect interval is every 5 seconds. So I've left mine at that. The failover trigger condition says that after 12 times, so 12 continuous checks at every 5 seconds, so that turns out to be 1 minute, of course, it will then fail over. Now, in terms of falling back, it does that for 4 continuous times, and then it will fail back. Now, in terms of what you're monitoring, you can either do a DNS query or a ping. I select ping, and then from the drop-down menu, you can look to what you want to ping. I'm just going to ping google.com. I don't remember the last time that went down, so that's pretty reliable. And then here, just click apply again. So that's all you need to do. Really simple to set up. If you've not seen the other video, which was the unboxing of the USB modem that I've got, take a look at that. I'll leave a description down in the video description below and a link for that. And then setting it up is just a matter of plugging the USB dongle into your ASUS router, and then on these 2 tabs, internet connection and dual WAN is everything you need to do to get going. Anyway, I hope that helps. If it does, please consider subscribing and even hitting that notification bell so you know when the next video drops. Take care, everybody, and I'll see you in the next one.